Morning, I'm just coming online to let you know what went on this week at the live knitting lesson in the market in Warrington. So you can catch up if you want to. If you want to come next week, we'll just be recapping and repeating what we did this week. So I would suggest that if you want to come along, you download the pattern for this item. It's a free pattern. It's on Ravelry.com. My link for Ravelry.com is Tabitha Tuesday Knits. It's on my bio on Instagram, and I'll put it online in the captions for this video so that you can find it. So this item is a really simple thing to knit, and it's really just like a scarf, but it's twisted and joined together. So this is another example. So what we covered this week in the lesson was casting on. A long tail cast on was what we learned, and a knit stitch. So you could do this pretty much with those stitches. I'm going to put some shorts on this week so you can see online exactly what we covered, but I'm going to recap them next week and consolidate the learning that everybody had last week. So don't be intimidated. You can come this week if you didn't come last week, and everybody there is really nice, and there'll be people to help you if you've never knitted before. And actually most of the people who came this week have never knitted before, and I think everybody had fun. It's a nice place to go. You can have a coffee, you can stay for lunch afterwards if that's what you want to do. It's a really non-threatening environment, so whatever age you are and whatever ability of knitting you are, I think you'll enjoy it and you'll get something out of it. So yes, this is what we're working on, and we've done a long tail cast on so far, and some people have done some knitting. What you might like to do is click on some of the links that are in the free pattern online, or look at some of my shorts that I'm going to put on this week around long tail cast on, about knitting a swatch, about understanding what kind of yarn you might like to use. At the minute we haven't picked yarns. What I would recommend that you do if you think that you want to learn to knit is get yourself some of these. These are a pack of circular bamboo needles. You can get them on eBay. I think I paid about £5 for these, and these have circular needles in every size that you're likely to use for projects that you'll do. So I'm suggesting that new knitters use the really big needles, the size 10mm needles, or 9mm needles, and use a super chunky yarn, because it's just easy to manipulate. It's one of the things about knitting that's a bit frustrating when you first start is manipulating the needles and moving the wool from one needle to another when you're knitting. So yes, I would suggest getting some of these. They're not expensive, they come in a few days, and we can talk about what yarn you need. If you're coming on Saturday, bring some kind of yarn with you. I'll bring some spare yarn as well, and just for you to have a play with, so that you can practice cast on and you can practice doing some knitting stitches. We might get on to doing some purl stitches, but actually you could do all of this in just knit stitches. It would look a bit different, but I think it's really important that you get kind of a sense of achievement fairly early on in that you've knitted an item, and that you're getting something out of what you're doing. I mean, if you wanted to, there's somebody who's come this week who just wants to knit dishcloth. That's a really easy thing to do. So hopefully see you on Saturday. Don't be intimidated, it's fun, and it's for everybody. Thanks very much for watching.